Hello students. So today we will learn about DBMS, that is database management system. Okay, what is the definition of database management system? Database management system is an application program that is used to enter, organize and select data in a database. Okay, basically database management system is used to create a database, okay, and to manage the database. Okay, so, and the best example is this is the best example MS Access. Okay, and the advantages of this MS Access is we can avoid duplication, we can share this file, we can remove errors, we can control unauthorized person. Okay, records are more complete. Okay, in this file records are more complete. Now how to create this file? First of all we will go to desktop. Okay, first of all we will search for access. Okay, now you can see we will go to this window icon and we will click on new. Okay, now you can see here is one option, create. Click on it. Okay, now you will see here is one option, view. Click on it. Now here is design view. Go to this design view. Okay, click on OK. By default first table name is table 1. Click on OK. Now here you will write student ID. Okay, and for data type we can give numbers. Okay, because student ID must be in numbers only. Okay, now next one is student name. Okay, and student name we can write in text. Okay, and next is address. We can write for, we can give text. Okay, we can select data type text for address also. Now we will go to datasheet view. Okay, we will save it. Okay, now see student ID for example I have written 11, and student name I have written Rohan. Okay, and address I have written like Nawa Shahar. Okay, so you can see how to create a table in MS Access. These are the steps. Now these columns are known as field. Okay, this is the first column and this is the second and this is the third. Okay, and these rows, okay, तो these rows are known as records. Okay, मीन्स अगर इसी टेबल को हम ऐसे कॉलम वाइज देखते हैं तो ये क्या है, फील्ड. अगर इसको हम रो वाइज इसको क्या बोलेंगे, रिकॉर्ड. ओके, सो दिस इज द मेथड टू क्रिएट अ फाइल इन MS Access. अगर आपको एक और रो क्रिएट करनी है तो यहाँ पे आप एक और रो जो है वो क्रिएट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने लिख दिया. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द वे हाउ टू क्रिएट अ फाइल इन MS Access. ओके.